I hope today's experience was helpful in understanding the kind of bricks that we manufacture a little bit better. Sometimes brick has been labeled incorrectly in the industry due to a certain gap in the knowledge when it comes to an element like brick. I hope today's experience was a value addition for you and the team. And any tips from your side for young architects and interior designers who want to use bricks in their designs but might be a little skeptical due to some myths that might be there in the market right now?
I think so. There is no myths. I have never came across. You might be knowing better because you are dealing with this day to day. Brick is our passion, and brick was our passion, and brick will be our passion. No doubt, right use in right proportion and right way is very important to understand. One just cannot use this brick as a fancy material or to clad or to layer something, but one has to understand the nature of it. Over the period of time, I understand that the way earlier brick was the basic element, now there are many other elements in the market. And over the period of time, brick might have little diluted in terms of their quality or in terms of usage. And one of the reasons being is that the skilled labor.
Okay.
As you rightly said that when we have visited this, I came here earlier also. But after many years, when I came, it's a surprise to me. Because the way it has been explored over the period of time and then it has been experimented, which is again, regain your confidence for the material. Definitely for my team, it is a new beginning and good learning. And when one can understand the, entire process and the kind of pain what people are taking or the kind of detailing what they do under one small piece of brick, and there are multiple processes. And when we see those processes, we feel like each and every brick is a piece of a precious element. So when somebody is just throwing brick here and there, and then they are layering brick by brick, and then when they understand that what is happening after each and every brick, the things are very different. So in that terms, I believe that it's a good insight for us. It's again a rejuvenated experience for us. And I always message to many young buddies and contemporary architects, they must visit such kind of companies where I'm not talking only about brick, I'm talking about any material which we are using. And when we go through the detail of it, we understand the value of it.